Oh, I see a squirrel. Squirrel is down there from the patio there. Going for a little walk there. As you can see. Take some footage of it. It's going in behind the basement. It's either a skunk or a squirrel. The squirrel's black. Has a dark white tail, I think. And then I'm pretty sure they do. Could be wrong though. And up here, there are two birds that are sitting on a tree. They are calling for other birds to come to their tree. Now, when it's winter, the crows have a nest where they can cuddle to be warm. They're babies. And when it's spring, they don't need a nest, or summer. Fall, they don't need a nest. Oh, one bird left the tree. The other one's there. I think that bird is wondering where the other bird went. It's probably saying, yeah, it's cawing. Like caw, caw, caw. Cute. Well, what I have to say is that nature is definitely coming soon, and lots of animals are coming out, like birds. There's 3 more. They're too hard to see, but they're little tiny. They don't look like bugs, but they... Yep, more birds. Another one up there. As you can see, they're flying all over the place. That's a big tree. That tree's been there for a long time. Remember when they had a September heavy rain, and that tree almost got knocked down from the wind. So it was pretty crazy.